Okay guys, so my husband wants me, or he wants to teach me how to take out and replace the solenoid valve of our Chevy 2016. So let's go!
The first thing you do is to remove this.
I have to do it myself?
Yeah.
Okay, can you hold this? Hold it, unblock the camera.
Yeah. So unplug that.
There.
Okay. Wait. So after you unplug that, you take the screwdriver.
Where's that?
The screwdriver should be that one. You're gonna unscrew this. You see your hand while you're working. I can't see your hands in the way.
This?
Don't think it's already loosened. So you want to loosen that so you can take this piece off.
Okay, so can I?
No, not yet. So once you take that off, you have to come over on this side with the screwdriver.
And then?
Down there is another one. Right there. Can you see there?
All the way here?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah. There's another. Oh. Yeah. So that's a screw. Wait, easy. So there's a screw down there to loosen that one. So once you loosen those things.
Okay.
Here's your video. Once you loosen that, you can take this off. This piece.
Oh, look at the skeleton here.
So once that piece comes off, I just do it and then you just videotape.
Okay.
So you take this cap.
What's the thing there though?
This is for the cap. This is the oil.
Okay.
Oil cap. You take this one off, and once you do that, this sits into things like this. They plug into stuff like this, and then you can just pull it. Take this one off also.
So this is the engine now?
Yeah, they plug what I took off plugs in here, and then they also plug in here.
Oh, those are the.
Yeah, that's what we just removed. Okay. So once you get that off, the
solenoid.
There's two solenoids are here. Okay, the two solenoids are here. This one in the front is for the intake valve. This one is for the exhaust.
Okay.
So then what you have to do, this is very difficult, it's very tricky to come off. So it has this clip here.
Let me put it here.
This clip, they come out with a small screwdriver first. They go in here.
On the top of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go here. So you have to take this one out first. Once you take this out, you loosen these screws. Gonna go here. The two screws that hold them down. Hold on. This screw down here
to hold them.
To hold it in place. Okay. So you need to take this one out.
Okay.
Go to the side. Then you can lift this. Once you lift it up, underneath here is a clip that hooks here.
Okay.
Take a screwdriver, lift it up, and then you can pull this apart like that.
Okay.
That's how you take this out. So now we're gonna put it back. So there's two of them. We're gonna put them back now. The one in the back is the.
Is this just the same process to take out the thing, right?
Yeah, you
take the clip.
Yeah, you just do it. Now you do everything in reverse. So to do it everything in reverse, let's we'll start from the back and come to the front. So we'll put this one in first.
That's the back solenoid.
Yeah. So it has a line with that thing. So you will know when it is a line because it will go down. It will just start sliding down when you line it up. Okay, turn it a little bit. Like that. You see? It set down there. You put the screw on it.
Okay.
I couldn't find my ratchet, so I improvised by using something else. Okay, screw. Just in a little bit by hand.
That's the reason why they charge so much.
It's not that difficult.
Why are you charging me $300 for this?
For this? Well, because you have to make profit. You have to understand when you take your...
Oh, that screw down there, you have to tighten that up.
The bolt. Okay, the bolt needs to get tightened. So I bought this. I used one of my screwdriver thing like this.
Is it tightened?
Now, but I tied it by hand first. Then I use a 7/16.
Yeah, because he can't find the ratchet.
So I put this, and then I take this. Fits. And just turn it.
So he improvised.
Now that's an engineering part where you have to think how to solve a problem. Have a problem, I cannot find my wrench. How do I solve that problem? I improvise. I put this here, which is not a wrench, but it fits in there. And then I use this one up here, but don't over tighten it. Just tight enough, and you can leave. And be careful. You have this hole open. That's in the engine.
Oh, going through the engine?
If you drop anything inside this hole,
Yeah.
the car's finished.
Really?
Yes, because as soon as you start the car, this is gonna go into the engine.
Oh.
And that's the end of your engine.
So be careful.
So be careful not to drop anything in there. So I'm gonna put the second one on to make sure nothing goes in that hole.
Can I do it now? Oh no, you do it.
You can do it. Just this. Take that.
Go here on the side.
Okay. She's going to install the second one. See, look for the hole for the screw. Where the screw is supposed to go, and line it up. Line, what's the hole? It's there, right?
So it's gonna be like this.
Yeah. Just make it straight. Make it hand. You slide down and line it up with that. So line up.
Yep.
Yeah. So you go like that. Yeah, you can see the holes line up. Okay. You put your hand there.
It's okay.
So I'll take the screw. And I'm going to put that screw here. Yeah, you gotta make sure that when you do this, nothing goes inside the section with the engine. Oh, yours is not lining up all the way. Okay. So tighten slowly with the finger just to make sure this is able to screw in. Now take this again. Improvise ratchet. There.
Let me see that first. He can't find the ratchet, so look.
It's a screwdriver. I put this part to fit in the ratchet into the socket like this. And then I use it. That's my extension. I need the extension, but I don't have it. So I use this. So I tighten it. And then we use the little 7/16 wrench. There. Even by cleaning it like this and putting it back, that could make it go off. You know my auto Equinox? All my problems started right around
The white one?
Yeah, right around 95. 95K. When my mileage reached 95K, most of my problems started. So that's tightened.
So that's it.
Put the screw back, put the other stuff back. So this is for the back.
Yeah.
So the first thing we do is we set it down. Like
No, hold on.
Goes here. Click. And I'll put the
Another one.
I'll put this this thing. Let's put this back in here, like this,
Click.
and down.
Okay.
Here's the second one. I'll put this down, like that, and I'll put the other little one here and down.
Okay.
So now
That's
this.
Now you got to put that thing back, the cover and everything, and that's it.
So now we're gonna put the covers back.
I think we're done there.
Okay.
Okay.